Houston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for West Central Highlands County in South Central Florida until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:36 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Lake Placid and is nearly stationary. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lake Placid, Placid Lakes, and the Sylvan Shores. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: Highlands, Florida.
This is WXK Radio WXK83A, Sebring a portion of South Central Florida, on a frequency of 162.50 MHz.
The current time is